Thank you. Hello, friends. How are you? We are back for our third and final part of types of glass. By cracked glass is composed of an internal sheet of tempered glass and two sheets of common glass joined by a PVB plastic film. Then, the internal tempered glass is broken. In other words, you have a samba of glass where the middle glass is broken. Its fragments join the film and remain stuck to the external glass. In contact with light, it causes a very cool effect, so it can be used as a decorative item in environments. Even with this internal glass closed, fragmented, it is still safety glass. It is high-strength glass. Don't be fooled by its appearance. Well, the edges of cracked glass require some attention, some care. Since the tempered glass in the center is broken, and some edges may be exposed. I won't say it will cause injuries, but a certain scratch can cause it. Therefore, the ideal is to fit the edges of the glass into something. But it is not an obligation. It is good to just be safe. Cracked glass can be used in all applications of laminated glass. And we can highlight tabletops, partitions, areas where you want to enhance aesthetics or even give a little more privacy. Self-cleaning glass is a revolution in the market. A common glass that receives a film with a layer with titanium dioxide particles. The covering layer acts in two ways. In the first way, it breaks down the organic molecules, and in the second, in the organic dust. In translation, this treatment does not allow dirt stick to the glass surface. With a rain or a simple jet of water, your glass is new. It is clean, without having to rub. That's the big advantage. Furthermore, there are no water drips left on the glass, and it doesn't stain, which is a great advantage, hence the name self-cleaning. One disadvantage of this glass is that it is quite expensive. The bending process consists of placing float glass, a common glass, on a steel mold, and take it to a suitable oven where the glass is heated to temperatures of approximately 650 degrees. This will depend a little on the thickness of the glass and the size. And it's the mold, right? And it ends up settling with this heat. It softens and settles on the mold. Curved glass is subdivided just like flat glass. It can be regular curved glass, where the glass has just been curved, despite it being twice as strong as ordinary flat glass. Even so, it is a glass that when it breaks, it produces large, sharp shards. In addition to this, we have tempered curved glass, which follows the same characteristics as normal tempered glass. That's why it's the most suitable glass, for example, for facades, roofs, and skylights. It can also be laminated curved glass, laminated and tempered curved glass, and can even be curved glass, insulated, all maintaining the same characteristics as flat glass. Its most common use in Brazil is generally for automotive glass, which everyone already knows, could be imagining, for furniture, counters. Okay, guys, that's it. With this, we conclude our series on types of glass. I hope you enjoyed it and that it serves as a source of research for all of you. A hug to all, and until next time.